Okay, so I have this fruits.txt file in here, which has these 4 lines, which are not fruits anyway, but you get the idea, it's text. We want to add 2 more lines to this existing fruits.txt file. We don't know what is there at the moment. If you look at the open documentation and scroll down, you'll see here that you can pass different modes in this argument here. So R, which we used already, we used W, and then you have X. If you use X and try to write, let's say okra, if you execute that, it's going to say that file exists. So unlike the W mode, which overrides a file, X will not override the file if the file exists. However, it cannot append content to an existing file because it says that the file exists. Therefore, we jump to the next mode, which is A. You see that okra was added there, of course with a small issue because there was not a break line here in the text, in the existing text file. So that's some information you should know, and if you know there is no break line, then you'd need to, let me save this text file, then you'd need to add a break line there to get the correct output. So anytime you add a new line, you'd need to add a break line in front. Now, how about reading that content? Maybe save it in a variable and print out the content. Will it work? I don't think so. It says that the operation is not supported. The file is not readable. It's A, which is for appending. If you want to append, to write and read at the same time, you want to add a plus. Just like that. Execute. You get an empty output. Why? Because of the cursor. So what happened is that when we added the okra line there, so at first you created the file here at this point, the cursor is here, okay. Then you write the file in this line, the cursor goes to the end of the file. So when you read now, you'll read whatever is left under the last line, which is nothing. What you can do is my file seek, apply a seek method to put the cursor at the 0 position once again. In that case, the cursor will go to the end, it will go again at the 0 position with this line, and then you'll read everything from there and down. So you get the correct output.